Get ready with us as we set up for camp.
We're out here at Four Peaks.
It's a beautiful night, and as soon as we get set up, we'll sit down and chat and let you know what we're doing out here this weekend. We got some exciting news to share with you.
Let's get set up.
What are you doing up here?
We're getting the tent ready by opening it up and getting some air. We've tucked the rain fly off, so we have a stargazing window. We'll be hopefully gazing at some stars tonight.
Looking forward to it.
But there's a nice breeze coming through as soon as I get this tent rolled up, and should be a nice night in the desert tonight.
There you go, it's all set up and ready for bed. Can't wait to come in after a fun night of camping. All right, everybody, we got camp set up and we just wanted to touch base with you guys and let you know what's going on in our lives and what we're out here doing this weekend.
Yeah, we came out here tonight with a specific goal of getting a headshot. Getting a headshot taken with Ansel and Adams, Mary, myself, and our cameras, because we're preparing to...
We will be teaching at Overland Expo West. We've got a class together called Exploretography, and we are super excited for this opportunity.
Yeah, we're looking forward to really getting out there, sharing what we're passionate about, which is exploring and creating and photography and capturing those memories that you have for a lifetime.
Yeah, and on top of that, the day that we happen to come out into the mountains to do our headshots, it is a gorgeous night. I can't even explain the sunset that we just watched. It was amazing. And tonight there happens to be a very little, almost a new moon. The Lyrid meteor showers are going on, and we're also hoping to get Milky Way shots. So talk about an amazing evening.
Yep, we pack-filled this evening with some photography, some out overlanding camping, and getting out here and exploring this beautiful desert.
Yeah, we kept it simple this time though, which was great. Instead of bringing all our cooking gear and everything, we got some pre-made kebabs, some charcoals on the fire.
Yeah, and just keeping it with vegetables and keeping it nice and simple tonight. And I tell you, my legs and my body feel it too. They're not as tired as they usually are when we set up camp. So
yeah,
we need to reconsider what we carry all the time.
Yeah, and it's a gorgeous night. This is spring in Arizona. This is probably the most amazing time of year. We've got our rain fly off. We've got all our screens in, of course, to keep the bugs out, but we've got some incredible views. We cannot wait to see the night sky today, so.
Yeah, and keeping it simple, we brought charcoal to cook our food on, but we also have just a propane tank gas fire pit tonight. Didn't want to mess with firewood, didn't want to go through all that, and they were closed by the time we took off. So tonight was gas fire pit night, nice and simple. Keep it an early night so we can get up and get some Milky Way pictures.
Yeah, so we're just gonna do this video kind of vlog style. We're gonna bring you along. When we remember to grab the camera and show you what we're up to, we're gonna do that. And of course, we'll share some pictures with you that will always be available on forloveandcraft.com, with proceeds going to Feed the Hungry. So we hope you enjoy this style of video, and we're just gonna get dinner on.
Yeah, and if you are going to Expo West 2023, let us know in the comments and maybe we can get together and talk photo.
Yeah, we'd love to hang out with some of you guys. We'd love to see you in our class, and we are super excited.
Yep, so we hope to see you there, and I hope you enjoy our night out in the desert.
Yeah. All right, here we go.